guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have quite a few things to share with you. I have a small jewelry haul, and I also have some beautiful shoes to share with you. So, if you want to see what all I have for you, stick around. I have some gorgeous, I think they're boots. I think they're booties, you guys. It's been a while. Let me turn it around. This is from Vivaia. So they messaged me and I have been wanting to partner with them for a really long time. I was super excited to get the email and I said, of course I will, because I remember last year I bought a pair of booties. I absolutely love them. They're 100% waterproof and I've worn them like crazy. So when they sent me an email, I said, yes, I will. And I'm super excited to share with you guys what I got. So let's go ahead without further ado and open up this bad boy. All right, and also I left my tree up. I put all my Christmas decorations up. I put the last of it up today, and I decided to leave my tree up because I'm really enjoying it. I think I'm going to turn it into a Valentine tree. Do you guys do that? I've never done it, but I thought for up here in my office, we might do the Valentine tree for sure. All right, guys, let's go ahead and open up this box from Vivaia. So when you open up the box, this is what you see. Just the white tissue paper, the Vivaia sticker, and let me get them out before I share them with you. I chose, of course, some booties. There were lots of different things that I could have chosen, but you guys, the whole cheetah print thing has always been my vibe, and I thought these were so cute. And the boots that I actually purchased with my money last year are similar to this, and they're just black. And I thought, I want to get another pair. I want to get some cheetah print booties. So you guys, these are so cute. And I also saw some on the website that went up to your knee and you could scrunch them down and wear them lots of different ways. So you guys check out the website, vivaia.com. Use my coupon code, although at the time of filming, I'm not sure what it is. So if I find out when I'm editing, I will definitely put it on the screen. If not, it will be in my description box. What I really like about these, other than the fact that they're very warm, waterproof, and skid proof, that's another thing. Look at the bottoms. So these are just fabulous, you guys. And they have a bit of a heel, so they can kind of look dressy. I think you can dress them up or down. And they're kind of like sock booties. Kind of like, what was the big brand that had the sock booties? Was it Balenciaga? But anyway, these are like, look at that, like sock. I think these are just so cute. You could wear them with jeans, leggings, skirts, even like little shorts. These are just so cute, and I love. Did I say I love cheetah print? Because I really do. These are totally my vibe. You guys, you need to go on the Vivaia website, check out all the beautiful things that they have, and they have some really pretty Mary Janes. I've always loved Mary Janes, and yeah, there's just so much new and exciting stuff on the website. I haven't really actually looked on the website for a while. I went and looked on the website and I thought, wow, they're always adding something new. So you guys, this is so well made. And right here's a little V that says for Vivaia right there. Everything about these I absolutely love. And because I did buy a pair with my own money last year, I know for a fact they're super comfortable, super warm, and you just can't get a better boot, you guys. They're very affordable, and you actually, I would probably pay double what they're asking. Okay, did I say that? Okay. Actually, I would probably pay a little more for these because they are so well made, and I have worn mine quite a bit. I would like to tell you a little bit more about the boots, other than the fact that they're beautiful, they're comfortable, and warm, but they are washable, they're sustainable, and this is the really cool thing about these boots. You can put them in the washing machine, like put them in one of those bags that you wash delicates in. I probably would never do that, but you can wash them with a washcloth, but you can throw them in the washing machine if you choose to do that. But they're just, I think they're just really well made and indestructible boots. And yes, these are called the Amanda. They come in full sizes and half sizes. I got my regular size. I got a size 8. I wear between a 7.5 and 8. And if I'm in doubt, I will go up one size, you know, because sometimes my feet swell, but I knew for a fact the size 8 was perfect for me, so they are true to size. These run $159, and it's the best $159 that you will ever spend on a pair of boots. So anyway, you guys, check out the website, but in conclusion, I do want to say that these are walking friendly. So if you're ever gonna spend a day, you know, shopping in the city and you're gonna be on your feet and you're gonna be walking like 10,000 steps, never fear, Vivaia is here. I made that up on the fly, but I mean it, you guys. Vivaia has got your back. Vivaia has got you covered. So if you have to be on your feet all day, you have a job where you're up on your feet all day, you're just super comfortable. I can't say enough good stuff about these. So anyway, you guys, check out the website and thank me later. So I have a couple of items that I had taken out of the bag. These are a couple items that I got from Nordstrom around the holidays. Actually, one of them is a pair of earrings that I meant to wear during the holidays, but I never opened them. So let me share them with you. I've gotten big time into green stones thanks to Read Your Heart. And again, I do occasionally work for Read Your Heart, and I always keep their information and my discount code in my description box if you want some beautiful jewelry, you guys. And this is not a Read Your Heart video, but they are fabulous. So anyway, I have really, like I said, gotten into green jewelry, and I saw these on the Nordstrom website. There were other colors that I was tempted to get, but you know, emerald is my birthstone. They're probably gonna dangle around because they're very dangly, because you know I love a good dangle. I mean, I say that all the time. Okay, anyway, these earrings, they're long, they're dangly, and they're fabulous. And they're inexpensive. Okay, they're regular $50. Some colors were on sale and some weren't, and these were on sale. Look how long. Ooh, I love these. These are so pretty. These would be great for a date night, or like if you're going to a concert. These are not the kind of earrings that I wear every day. You guys know my staple is just a big hoop, but I do love a good dangle, you guys. So when I saw these, I said, I'm gonna get those, especially because they're on sale. And the brand is Ettika, and I believe I've probably had some jewelry from this brand before. Maybe I have, or maybe I just think I have. I don't know. But I do know that these are beautiful. Yes, I've got them straightened up now. So look how pretty. I can't wait to wear these, you guys. I have 2 other pieces of jewelry, and you guys, I do love my fine jewelry. Most of the time I wear fine jewelry. All the earrings I have on today, except the Hermes cuff, is fine jewelry. This is fashion jewelry, but all of this is fine jewelry, and that's what I normally wear. But I do love my fashion jewelry because I think it's just more fun. It's more stylish, and you can pop on a pair of earrings like this, and then you can find a fun necklace, or, you know, wear some fun earrings. And that's what I like about it, because it is fun to switch things out a bit. And I'm not sure what's in this box, but it says Nordstrom. This is a necklace. This is a necklace. Let me try to untangle it, and I'll be right back. Phew. Okay. That took a while, you guys. All right, so what I picked up was this evil eye necklace, and I had someone mention to me one time, you need to throw that thing away, it's satanic. Well, it is not, you guys. An evil eye is known for, like, it's in a lot of different cultures, like Greece and different cultures in Europe believe in the evil eye. So the evil eye is like when somebody gives you the evil eye, it's like believed in ancient cultures, or even today, that they're giving you a curse. It could be something like giving you an ailment, or falling down the stairs, or something like that. But to wear an evil eye is for protection. And the word for eye in Greek is mati. So the evil eye, or mati, is protection. So I liked this. It has a very substantial chain and it's adjustable. And I came across it. This is from BabbleBar, and I'll list it below. I think it's really, really pretty, and I just love it, you guys. So I have quite a bit of evil eye jewelry, and I like this one because it's small and it's like an everyday piece that I can wear. Not that I really believe somebody's gonna stare me down and cause a curse on me. Well, do I believe that? Lately, yes, but not normally. You know what I mean? But it's really in many cultures, as in Greek cultures, Albanian cultures, which I am also Albanian, Turkey, places like that, they protect themselves with the mati, or the evil eye. So anyway, it means something to me. I think it's absolutely beautiful. And like I said, it's just costume jewelry, but the chain is really, really pretty, and I really like it. So I got that. And did I say it was from BabbleBar? BabbleBar. I find some cute stuff on there. And then I think this is the bracelet. Okay, so then I found the bracelet that matches with it, and I like the way it's stretchy, and it's got the little mati all around, okay, and these little beads, and I can wear it with my gold stack over here, or I can wear it with silver. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this tag off. But I thought I like this little set because it's an everyday kind of jewelry set. Now, this definitely is not an everyday earring for me, but I like to have pieces like that. You know, I like to change things up, okay? So let's put it on this stack, and I think it's so pretty with my gold jewelry. Look at that. So it looks great with my gold stack. So I have my evil eye bracelet and my evil eye necklace, my mati, and yeah, stare me down if you want to. I don't care. I'm ready. But if you don't understand what the evil eye is, I urge you to look it up, to Google it. It's nothing bad. It's not satanic, for heaven's sakes. But, you know, some people, they just don't know. It's not like, you know, this person was trying to be mean. This has been a while back, probably last year or something. I got something with the evil eye on it, and they're like, you don't need to be wearing things like that. But it's the opposite. It's supposed to be a good thing. And it's in my culture. It's cultural. I grew up with it, and it's not that I'm really all that suspicious, or what am I trying to think? But anyway, you guys, I am a Christian. I believe, you know, that God watches out for me, but it's just, it's cultural. It's a cultural thing for me. So I do enjoy wearing this jewelry, and I think it's really, really pretty. Very chic. And that's what I love about fashion jewelry. I think that it can be very inexpensive, as these pieces were, and I will link them below if they're still available. How much was the bracelet? Okay, I don't see a price on it, but it's BabbleBar. If you haven't ever looked at the jewelry on BabbleBar, they have some cute stuff. So yeah, I enjoy shopping there from time to time, and so I picked that up, and I was super excited to share it with you. And the chain is just beautiful, you guys. It looks like a real gold chain. This is a really well-made, really good quality piece. All right, guys, so let me share with you my bag of the day. I try to do that at the beginning of every video because, I don't know, are you like me? I just want to know what bags people are carrying. I just really do. I'm nosy. So this is my bag of the day. I switched out last night, and I think I'm going to be using this bag the entire week. So I love it. I'm obsessed. I think it's gorgeous. And you know what I love about it? Bam. I love this shoulder strap. I love this, you guys. It's so comfortable, and I can put everything in the kitchen sink inside of it. You guys, big bags are back, baby. I like big bags, and I will not lie. Okay, never mind. But anyway, I do like them. I was always a big bag girl, and then that mini bag trend came about, and I thought, you know, it feels kind of freeing, and it does, because sometimes big bags can be cumbersome, but they're also annoying at the same time. And I was thinking about that. I was thinking maybe I should do a big bag versus small bag video, because I jotted down a few ideas, and if you want to know what I think about it, let me know, and I can totally do that video for you guys. But anyway, Bags like this, you don't have to choose what you put in it, but what I love about it is this shoulder strap. Do all the soft speedies have the shoulder strap? I don't know, but I'm digging this shoulder strap big time, you guys. I absolutely love this bag, and I'm going to carry it all week. And what I have decided to do within the new year is not change my bags out so often. I do use my bags. I mean, I do have those special occasion bags that I talk about, but I want to enjoy them. And really, if I change them out every day or two, I'm not really getting the full, you know, use out of them. So I'm going to really enjoy my bags. And so I'm going to carry them about a week at a time, unless I have to go somewhere and I have to, you know, change it to match my outfit or whatever. But anyway, you guys, that is my video for today. Let me ask you guys a favor. Please join my fam jam, okay? I'm trying to get to 7,000. I haven't made any leeway, you guys. Like, I don't know what's going on with the algorithm, but I was up about 15, lost every one of them. Really. So, listen, just do me a favor. Join my fam jam if you watch me. And also get your mom, your dad, your aunt, your uncle, all your cousins, your neighbors, everybody to join my fam jam, okay? Because I'm itching to give something away. I really am. So that would be rad, you guys. I would be so happy. Oh, and one more thing. This bag is for sale. $1,800 for this beautiful SOUPLE BB. You guys, this bag is everything. I absolutely love it. I'm probably going to regret it one day, but this bag has my heart. And this bag, I just never really used it that much for some reason. Maybe it's a little bit dressy for me. I don't know, you guys, but it's beautiful. $1,800 is a steal. It's a really good buy for that price. But if I can't sell it, I'll send it on to Candy, you guys, because she can sell swampland to Eskimos. I swear she can. So I was just trying to sell it on my own. Message me if you're interested. I might do a 4-week payment plan. I hate to do a 6-week, but I might. It just depends. But if I do that, it would be $1,800 firm. If you want to offer me something a little bit less, within reason, I will consider. But anyway, it is for sale. I paid $2,600, you guys, with tax, and I'll definitely be losing money, but I don't really look at it that way because, well, I didn't really use it as much as I should have, but I did use it a little bit. So anyway, whatever. I just want to sell it. Anyway, guys, that is all I have for you guys today. I will see you again very, very soon. Maybe on Wednesday. I'm trying to put out, well, I'm not going to put out 3 videos every week. I'm just not, but I'm going to try. I'm going to try to put out more videos for you guys. So anyway, let me know what videos you might want to see. If you have any requests, please let them be known. And yeah, that's it. So I'll talk to you guys soon. Peace.